What's up, guys? It is your boy the Wolfgang here, and today we are going to be playing some more Rust. And I sort of fixed the settings so I'll be a little bit more better, cheddar. Alright, so guys, if you did not see the last video, go check the last video out. Oh, that was such good luck. I'm going to leave the rat suit here so people don't find us. We made a shotgun, guys. A shotgun. See if I can make some pants or something. What we're actually going to do is we're going to destroy some barrels, guys. That's what we're going to do all at the start of my videos. We're going to destroy some barrels. We're the barrel destroyer. That's some ragdoll there. Guys, what we're going to do, we're going to make a furnace. Give me all that scrap metal blade. Let's go. Yes. Low grade, and where's that fuel? We need 50 low grade, so we're gonna need 50 of those pipes. So what we need real fast is I'm gonna just mine this real fast so it doesn't despawn. Give me that! No! Give me that. Crude oil and low grade. Nice. Okay, let's get some wood, and then we're gonna explore the area. We need tons of wood to make a TLC, whatever the frick it's called. Whatever it's called, I don't know. Let's get this whole tree. No pipes spawn back. We're gonna actually explore. Hey, we need mushrooms. That's good. Ooh. Oh, there's a lot of mushrooms here. Hey, one spawned in. Let's go. Please give me a weapon crate. Come on. Be nice. We do got a pipe. We do got some this. I love this. Oh, I got 6 low grade from that. Oh, thank you for 150 wood. I'll take that. Get out of here, boy. Alright. Oh, let's get all this sulfur. Because then we can make some more bullets. And then we be on our way. We be on our way. We be Kadibo. And then we're gonna get some more wood. How much wood do we get from that one tree? We got 700. You got 18 low grade. That's not bad. Alright, guys. Let's do it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, one tree. Yes! Some... Oh, no, I didn't spawn, I don't think. No. Yes, okay. Actually, I'll take this any day. Ooh, 800 gallon. Let's go. That's actually pretty good. But give me all these pipes. Oh, no. Always wondered what was in that. Scrap. Oh, metal blade. Gotta pick that thing up. Alright, how much should we get? You got 1,000. Good. Set back to base. Let's get that. You gotta start getting. Let's getting on the move. We gotta go. We gotta do this. Let's get it. 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 Oh, coughed up something. Oh, that was disgusting. Alrighty, right. Oh, we can make... What do we need to make? We can make a bandana. That would be nice. But, you know what? Oh, we definitely need... A large crate would be nice. What is this? What is this? Metal... How much pipes do I have? I don't have any pipes on me. I have 7. Do these stack? Oh, let's go. I actually got some of those. Nice. Oh, I didn't have any low grade on me? What? That's weird. No, I didn't have any low grade. That honestly actually sucks. Authorize. Thought we can actually move. Alright. Crap. No. I can see something. Oh, nice. Couple of them spawned. These are always food, I'm pretty sure. No, it's actually different every time. We can eat this chocolate bar. Alright. Nothing here. It's just propane and scrap. Jesus, my patience. Let's. I really got nothing out of that. What we're gonna do is we are gonna explore. Explore! Yeah, guys, leave in the comments if you like these graphics more. I changed it a little bit. Oh, crap. I changed the graphics so it's not as laggy, but it's still laggy because of my computer. I don't have like a decent computer. I'm saving up money to get a better computer. I was looking at a $400 computer. Right now I got $200 saved up. So, yeah. Oh, what is this? Just pops out of nowhere. Oh yeah, I forgot we had this. Oh yeah. Derp. Ah! Well, we know not to go there now. Sonny boy. Dang. Do I see a weapon box? Dude, where's all the weapon boxes and stuff like that? Who cares about food? I got plenty of food. Alright, well, I thought I saw someone there. Alright, let's get the salvage pick. I was actually visiting the frost biome. And we'll bring a rad suit too. Oh. I was like, where's my house? I was about to be like, oh, no you don't, you son of a gun. Come on, get in. Alright. I don't need this. We do need some clothes. I can make 44 of some type. I shoot a bucket head. Sheet metal. What do you need about wood? Rope and 200 wood. Could do that. No, that's easier. Can I make any bandages? I can make only one. Yay! We have no tools with us. Let's get this metal ore real fast. Alright, let's go, guys. Alright, we're gonna stay put here. So we're gonna see what we can make, if anything's like good that we can make. Alright, so you got all this, so we're gonna start with comments. Nothing too much. Builds. Nothing too much. Oh, code lock. What do you need for 100 metal frags? Holy Jesus. Items. What is this? What is a storage? Like, oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. This hurt so much. Oh. Ow! Ooh, 30 charcoal and 20 sulfur. Can I make this? No. Oh, yay! I can make a brick flashlight. What do you need for a revolver? Pretty expensive. Ammunition. Oh, dang it. So you really can't make nothing. Definitely want to store the low grade in here. Actually, we'll keep this. Here, we're gonna tape up light. Empty tune. Oh, here we go. Lantern. 40 metal frags and 15 low grade. What is this? Dude, I can't even see crap. Oh, what was that? No. What was that? Oops. Walk. Oh, yes. Oh. My home. Ooh. That fire's gonna go out any minute now. 3. No. I'll take all that charcoal. That's a helicopter, guys. Dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know if that's right above us. Leave already. Alright, it's definitely close. Let's just wait it out, guys. It's definitely right above us now. Oh no! Be gone, mate, please. Pretty sure that's a supply drop. While we look, we might look at the other thing past 30. I'll try and figure out cutting like this part out since it's boring, you know. But is it coming back? Oh god. Guys, we gotta be silent, bruh. Oh my god. Did they drop off people? Guys, why is that helicopter after us? Oh, is it getting morning? Alright, guys, dude, that was scary as crap. I thought no one was on the server. Okay, it's a horse. I'm getting traumatized. Uh-oh, guys. Oh god, this is scary, guys. I want to look, but then I'm probably gonna die. But what do I have on me? Oh my god. It's over there somewhere. Crap. But then it sounds like over there. Dude, where's this guy at? What if I just, he comes over the mountain and I throw an axe at him, and then it just hits him right directly in the head? Dude, that would have been amazing. Oh, they're close. I can see him. Alright, we got our axe out. See if that guy was going. We're definitely not gonna lead him to our house, because our house is not up, like, not that strong up to a helicopter. Come on, dude. We're trying to make a video. Just leave. You know what? We're going to carry on with the video. If we get raided, we get raided. We can't do anything about it. But he is, like... Oh, no. Crap. I want to see where this guy is and maybe make a bow. Nah, he's definitely on my left. Alright, you know what? Wood, thank you for that. Tart, we can use that. Scrap and a metal blade. Scrap and rope, actually, that's not that bad. Some more scrap and rope. Don't ask what that was, I just missed it. 3 sewing kits, that's that. I don't honestly do not know what sewing kits are. Like what they do really. Okay, thank you for the propane. I really don't need propane. Freaking dang-a-ling, dang ding-a-ling. Get this one tree for our fireplace. Alright, let's do it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Guys, how long is this video? Hold on, guys. How long is this video? 33 minutes. Oh, God. We're going to definitely end this after I get this tree. Had to eat a little bit. Alright, let's get it. Alright, guys. I know I promised to make a furnace, but it was night when I came on. We had to wait for that. I'm gonna cut that video out, so I gotta figure out a way to how to cut a video. And then basically a freaking helicopter came. So yeah, guys, this is not a good video. It was a good video, like it was pretty. Yeah, we didn't get too much done. All we did was like just get resources. But that's what we need to just get resources. All right. We just split it. We're putting, bam. And no one else would ever be. And get all this loot on me. Wait, what do I need to... What can I stack? Whatever I stack, I'll keep. We definitely do need some rope, so what we're gonna... Really all we need. No, I'm guessing the shotgun that I made wasn't too too good, you know? Sulfur's to make gunpowder. I guess that's why it only gives you 20. Yo, we need more stone. We can't. It's hard to get stone, but where I am, there's tons of stone. So once this server actually gets like popular, because I think I'm gonna have a couple of friends of mine and a couple of friends of Sibs, which would be awesome. I saw something move there. Let's get this stone. Let's give you 75 stone, which is good. We can make a bait. Well, maybe actually we can extend it on the outside, make it honeycombed. Oh, we're gonna grab all these rocks. And these are not, like, too bad to make. It's only a couple of wood, and these are pretty good. This is all I'm gonna make. I think the other pick is better. I don't know. I think this is the best pick, maybe. Pretty sure. I'm not sure, though. I say I'm pretty sure, but then I'm not sure. I make no sense. Give me all this stone. Oh, nice. We're gonna have a couple thousand. Alright. There's another rock here? Dang. This is so good. For stone? Holy crap, this is the area for stone. Oh my god. We need to hurry up and get our base big. Like, cause once people find out... Ah, there's a wolf there. Kinda scared of wolves, but you know what? We're gonna have to face our fears. This does pretty good damage. We can kill it. Mine it with the... I remember being broken, now I'm bad. Oh crap, I didn't know it was gonna break in one. Should we get some more wood? Yeah, we should get some more wood. Alright, let's get this wood going. I remember being broken, now I'm bad. Alright, let's go. Oh, I gotta crack my neck. Yep, guys, stay to the end. Cause I'm gonna do a giveaway. Today. Oh yeah, guys, I'm gonna do a giveaway. But you gotta stay to the end for this. You got to stay to the end. I remember being broken down bad. Can I pick these up? I'm pretty sure I can. I can't. Dang. Sucks. I keep pressing that one button, dude. Something's gonna happen. Oh, where's my hammer at? Yo, they need to make like stone doors or something like that. Like. That's a lot of stone, mates. That is a lot. Well, we're gonna craft some 2 more. Got 6,000 stone out of this. Holy crap. Everything's... the stone roofs look exact... Boy, someone's calling me from Los Angeles. Hold up, I'll be right back. Alright, it was just a freaking telemarketer. The telemarketer. Remember being broken now, but... Oh, we're gonna add chest all through. Oh, that's peeking out bad. Alright. Oh, is it gonna host all this stone, man? Dude, look at it. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice. That's a nice. Oh, yeah. It's a ton of stone, that's for sure. Alright, guys, if you enjoyed this video, I'm gonna end it off right here because I'm starting to get a headache. If you did enjoy this video, please smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe too, guys. And hey, if you want to enter in my giveaway, check the description below. It'll tell you all the things I'm giving away. 2 fidget spinners, 2 lucky 2 winners. All right, peace, guys.